If you're looking for a new Amazfit smartwatch in 2026, two models that might catch your attention are the Amazfit Active 3 Premium and the Amazfit Active 2. Both watches focus on fitness tracking, long battery life, and a lightweight design, but the newer Active 3 Premium introduces some upgrades that may make it worth considering. In this video, we'll compare these two watches side by side and explain the key differences so you can decide which one is the better option for you. Before we start, welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Let's start with the price difference. The Amazfit Active 2 usually sells for around $90 to $100, which places it in the budget smartwatch category. The newer Amazfit Active 3 Premium sits a bit higher, usually around $150 to $170, depending on the version. So right away, the Active 3 Premium is positioned as the more premium option, with a higher price and a few extra features. Now starting with the design, display, and overall build quality. The Amazfit Active 2 comes with a round watch design that looks more like a traditional watch. It features a 1.32-inch AMOLED display that can reach around 2,000 nits of brightness, so the screen stays very clear even in bright outdoor conditions. The watch also uses a stainless steel body, which helps it feel more solid and premium than many budget smartwatches. The Amazfit Active 3 Premium also follows a modern round design but brings some small improvements to materials and finishing, giving it a slightly more refined look. The display is still AMOLED, but it's a bit larger and more immersive, which makes notifications, workout data, and watch faces easier to see. Overall, the Active 3 Premium feels more polished, while the Active 2 already looks quite premium for its price. Next comes battery life, which is one of the biggest reasons people choose Amazfit watches. The Amazfit Active 2 offers very strong battery performance and can last up to around 10 days on a single charge with normal usage. That's already much longer than many traditional smartwatches that need charging almost every day. The Amazfit Active 3 Premium improves this even further with better power optimization. Depending on usage, it can last around 12 to 14 days, which means fewer charging cycles and better long-term convenience. For users who prioritize battery life, the newer model clearly has an advantage. Now moving to performance and health tracking features. The Amazfit Active 2 already includes a strong set of fitness tools. It supports a large number of sports modes and includes built-in GPS, along with health tracking features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and blood oxygen tracking. It also uses Amazfit's newer dual LED 5PD biosensor, which helps improve the accuracy of biometric measurements during workouts and daily health monitoring. The Active 3 Premium builds on this by improving sensor accuracy and adding more refined fitness insights. The watch offers better activity analysis, improved workout tracking, and more advanced recovery and training data compared to the previous model. Navigation also feels smoother thanks to updated internal hardware, which improves overall responsiveness when switching between apps or health data screens. Connectivity and smart features are also slightly improved on the newer watch. Both watches work with Android and iPhone, allowing you to receive notifications, track workouts, and sync health data through the companion app. However, the Active 3 Premium expands some of the smart features with better system responsiveness and improved software optimization. It also supports more advanced health monitoring tools and better workout analysis compared to the Active 2. So when comparing these two watches, the main differences come down to the improvements in the newer model. The Amazfit Active 2 is still an excellent budget smartwatch with a bright AMOLED display, strong battery life, and reliable fitness tracking. For its price, it already delivers a lot of value. The Amazfit Active 3 Premium, however, adds a larger and more refined display, longer battery life, improved health tracking accuracy, and better performance overall. It is clearly designed as the upgraded version for users who want more advanced features while staying in the mid-range smartwatch category. In simple terms, if you want the best value for the money, the Amazfit Active 2 is still a great choice. But if you want the newer model with better performance, longer battery life, and more advanced fitness features, then the Amazfit Active 3 Premium is the better option. And if you want to check the latest prices or deals for both watches, You can find the product links in the description below. So that's a quick comparison between the Amazfit Active 3 Premium and the Amazfit Active 2. Both are solid smartwatches with great fitness tracking and long battery life, but the newer Active 3 Premium brings some useful upgrades in display size, performance, and battery optimization. If you want to check the latest prices or deals for both watches, you can find the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe Smartwatch Radar, and stay tuned for more smartwatch comparisons and tech reviews.